and welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through simple and easy steps on how to activate your Sears MasterCard online. So if you want to do that, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, launch open a preferred web browser on a computer or your mobile device. Once you do that, go to the URL box and type in activate.searscard.com and press enter. The Sears MasterCard is issued by Citibank. Soon after you type in the URL, you'll end up on this card activation page. Here, you'll need to enter your card number printed on your card like this, which is 16 digits long. After you type in your card number, click the continue button. Now, type in the name that appears on your card. On the next field, enter the 3 digits security code, which is available on your card itself, and then type in your last 4 digits of your social security number. Finally, click the verify button and follow through the on-screen prompts till the end in order to activate your Sears MasterCard online. After you complete the activation, you'll receive a notification about your Sears MasterCard activation. That is how you can easily activate your Sears MasterCard online. If you want to activate it, you can also activate your MasterCard by calling on this toll-free number available at the bottom of the screen. I hope you learned how you can easily activate your Sears MasterCard in a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, you can go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.